let's read, slow and clear with me. One small word, one small sound, reading is easy. C-A-T, cat, 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 a little cat says meow, meow, meow. D-O-G, dog, 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 a happy dog says woof, woof, woof. S-U-N, sun, 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 the yellow sun is bright and fun. B-A-T, bat, 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 a little bat flies just like that. P-I-G, pig, 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 a pink pig is not too big. H-E-N, hen, 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 the little hen says cluck again. C-U-P, cup, 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 drink some water, pick it up. B-E-D, bed, 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 time to sleep, rest your head. Let's read, slow and clear with me. C-V-C, words are fun to say. Read a new